I am Josiah Daniel Banjes from Med 221. Donning of complete PPE. Perform hand hygiene using hand rubbing. Remove all personal items such as jewelry or any contents of the pocket. Tie back any long hair if present. Perform hand hygiene using hand rubbing. Put on protective lab gown. If the gown is disposable, make sure that it is a fastened and the belt is tied. Put on face mask. Mask must fit tightly and should cover both the nose and the mouth. Put on the head cap. Put on the goggles. Since I have a poor eyesight, my eyeglasses will act as a protective eyewear. Put on shoe cover. Put on gloves. They should be pulled over the gown cuff. Now we are done from the donning of complete PPE. I will show you doffing of complete PPE. Remove the gloves. Do not touch the contaminated areas with ungloved hands. Perform hand rub. Remove goggles. Remove gown. It should be pulled from the shoulders toward the hand so it is turned inside out. Remove head cap. Remove the mask, hold both earpiece and take it off. Remove booties using a hands-free approach by stepping at the back of the cover.